Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about crystals and how to cleanse them or smudge them or charge them. I'm just gonna cover like basics in this video and like explain as much as I can. Of course I'm going to miss a few things because I'm still in the process of learning, and also like that would be a super long video, but there are many ways that you guys can cleanse, smudge, or charge your crystals, so I'm just going to name off a few of them. Palo Santo, sage, rose water, moon water, the sun, the moon, water, salt water, incense, and anything earthy like dirt. Even other crystals can cleanse crystals. Examples of a few crystals that can cleanse other crystals are selenite, which I have here, and I have a wand, I have a heart, and I also have a tower. This is my selenite wand. This is my selenite heart. And the tower is in my room, so I'll just put a picture of it. Some more crystals that can cleanse are citrine, which I think I have, but I'm not sure where it is. Also carnelian, so it looks like this. It's like red usually, and like white and orange. And lastly, also clear quartz. Clear quartz looks like this. It comes in so many different shapes and sizes. And I'm pretty sure this one is also clear quartz. It's just a bigger version of it. If you guys are new to crystals, basically everything has energy. You, me, we're all just energy, and the same thing goes for crystals. The basic idea is that crystals, when they're used, they just absorb energy. Over time, their energy can be negative or dulled. Crystals naturally have a very high vibration, and you want to keep them at their highest vibration possible so that you can use them easily and they'll function at their greatest ability. So the reason that people cleanse crystals or smudge or charge them is to make sure that that is exactly what happens, and that they are at their best vibration and there's no negative energy. You guys can basically cleanse your crystals as much as you'd like. So if you guys just get a feeling that your crystals are harboring negative energy, then you guys can just go ahead and cleanse them. Otherwise, I would recommend about once a month to cleanse your crystals. If you get a new crystal, I recommend cleansing that as soon as you get home too, so that you don't bring any negative energies from that crystal into your house. Cleansing your crystal also helps with the connection that you guys have. You can't just go out and get a crystal and then assume that it's going to like do wonders for you. So I recommend connecting with your crystals, so smudging them and cleansing them and doing affirmations while you are cleansing them can help you create a connection and a bond with them so that they can further help you in your journey, whatever it is. If you guys aren't sure which method to use in order to cleanse your crystals, then you guys can just try each one out and see which one resonates with you the best. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how I smudge my crystals. So this is sage, and you guys can buy bundles of this like many places. I will put a list on the screen of places that you can buy it. And so this is white sage. There are different kinds of sages. I just use this one, and this is the most universal one for smudging crystals. I'm just going to take my amethyst right here, which is a very good protection crystal, and I also have one around my neck that I made myself and that I would like to cleanse as well, so I'm going to take that off. Okay, so this is my amethyst crystal that I wrapped and made myself. I'm going to cleanse all three of my amethyst crystals, so I have another one right here, and I'm going to show you guys how I do that. So it's kind of windy, so it was really difficult to kind of sage, but the next thing I'm going to be showing you guys is how I cleanse with selenite. So for this, I'm just going to basically go around the crystal and cleanse it. You can say like a mantra or something, which is what I was doing earlier. To charge your crystals, you can use many things, but I'm just going to talk about one of them today, and that is the sun, or I'll talk about two. So you can charge your crystals through the moon or through the sun. Today I'm going to be using the sun because I don't think that there is a full moon soon, or I don't know. So I'm just going to put my crystals out in the sun and I will show you guys that. And this doesn't need to be for a long time. It could be 30 minutes because you don't want to fade any of your crystals. Also, I wanted to talk about this really quick just to let you guys know, but if you guys are looking into using water to cleanse your crystals, be very careful because some crystals cannot be in the water. For example, selenite cannot be in the water because it will dissolve, and hematite cannot be in the water because it will rust. If you guys are planning on doing any other kind of cleansing rituals, just make sure to research or comment down below so I can make a longer video. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and subscribe down below if you guys like this kind of content, because I will be, slowly introducing more crystal and spiritual stuff into my channel. I will see you guys next time, and bye.